Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to be watching How to Get Away with Murder Season 6 Episode 8. This is called I Want to Be Free. If you would like to follow me on Twitter or would like to watch the full reactions over on my Patreon, links are down below. Let's get into this episode.
Your last chance to convince me that you deserve to graduate. You have 10 minutes to review the case, come up with a defense, and argue against me. Whoever comes up with the best defense wins this. The 64K C&G bonus that no one won last semester.
If either of us wins, let's split the money.
When I win, I'm keeping that money for me.
Now, today's case is a conspiracy to murder. The client is a famous, powerful, legendary woman, Snow White. The prosecution alleges that Miss White manipulated the 7 dwarfs to push her stepmother, the queen, over a cliff. Miss White claims that the dwarfs acted alone. Your 10 minutes start now.
Governor, what's your response to Nate Leahy's claim that you conspired to kill his father?
The only conspiracy here is against me.
Mr. Leahy's suit states there's proof you were involved in the murder.
Fake news.
Aren't you at all concerned that this wrongful death suit could lead to criminal charges?
Donald Trump.
My concern here is for Mr. Leahy. He's pointing his grief in the wrong direction. It was Emmett Crawford who conspired to kill Nathaniel Leahy Sr., not me.
Then why doesn't the suit name Mr. Crawford?
Because Mr. Leahy's attorney is leading him astray.
Do you think Miss Winterbottom has a conflict of interest?
That's up for the judge to decide.
The governor knows your name now.
They was gonna file this with or without me. At least this way, we're the ones managing him.
And who's managing you?
That's not why you're here right now?
They killed Emmett. They almost beat Frank to death. You don't think they're gonna do the same thing to you?
What happened to you? In rehab? Came home afraid? Hiding behind restraining orders?
Anytime we've hit back at those people, they've come at us even harder.
This is what you've always wanted from me. To stand up and fight. Be proud of me.
Bonnie.
I think she's scared for you.
Real fight.
Isn't this the penthouse?
Send me a copy of the Winterbottom file tonight.
No problem.
The conflict of interest is insane.
Bonnie already filed the waiver.
Oh, we have to make it sound worse.
It's not Miss Winterbottom's relationship with D.A. Miller that's the conflict. It's her relationship with his mother. Here we have phone records proving that Ms. Winterbottom and Mrs. Miller spoke frequently after his death. In addition, Your Honor, we'd like to call Sheila Miller to testify here today.
Why?
When Ron died, there was so much pain, and I needed someone to share it with me. And that person was Bonnie, but it was all lies. Why are you doing this? Is it for money?
Your Honor, I have nothing further for Mrs. Miller.
I'm siding with the Attorney General on this. Mr. Leahy, I suggest you find another lawyer.
No need, Your Honor. Tegan Price, managing
Oh,
partner at
really?
Kaplan & Gold. I'll step in and take the case.
Your Honor,
Really?
Ms. Price's conflict of interest is equally glaring.
Conjecture by the defense has no bearing on a conflict determination.
Bonnie got kicked off the case.
Good job.
Except now Tegan's the lawyer.
What?
Judge just okayed change of counsel. Trial's on.
Well, that didn't work. I wonder why Tegan
Time's
changed
up.
her mind.
My plan is to start with the grunts at the bottom, the guards who killed Senior. The mean-looking one first.
We can't put Gladden on the stand.
Why?
I only got her to admit that Ron ordered the hit by offering her immunity. I got fired before I could do that.
So why does that mean we skip right to the governor?
Sure.
What happened to being scared for Cora's life?
Yeah.
She's on assignment for the government somewhere in the Middle East with a security detail.
It's the governor's car.
And?
It's outside Ron's apartment, just days before Senior's murder.
And found all of your admissions essays.
Why?
You've all been so down about your futures, I thought you need a little reminder about why you came to law school in the first place.
God, you're such a nerd.
After completing a clerkship for Ruth Bader Ginsburg, I plan to join the Legal Assistance Corp of California in hopes of running for Attorney General.
Then governor, then eventually the White House.
Bad chance of that happening now.
They've let worse into the White House.
Okay, next.
That
Ever
ain't
since
no
I
lie.
became openly gay, I've wanted to be a role model for the LGBTQ youth.
Oh, so cute.
That's inspiring.
You brought a tear to my eye. Just get on with Asher's.
Be becoming a federal circuit judge.
So basically your dad? Except I became morally corrupt in a worse way.
Lower your voice.
You know I lost my whole family. Plane crash. Well, there was
Jorge who helped me. What you need to know is that asking for Jorge's help put me under his thumb. And I'm tired of being under any man's thumb. So screw him, screw the governor. I want to be free.
Yeah.
Tegan sending a messenger.
I wonder if he's going to end up telling her the truth.
How many cars does the state give you for official business?
One, but I have access to others if necessary.
Is anyone else authorized to use the official one?
Not to my knowledge.
Is this your car for official business?
I believe so.
This image was taken by a street camera outside of Ronald Miller's residence on October 25th, just days before Nathaniel Leahy was killed. You said you never met Miller. How do you explain it being there?
I can't.
Governor, why did you fire your aide, Paige Dodson?
Objection, relevance.
Laying foundation, Judge.
Was he going to say she's the one that brought the car there?
Paige showed a pattern of unprofessional decision-making.
Booking your official car for her own personal use?
Several times.
And each time, she had to fill out a requisition form like this. Can you tell us the date written there?
October 25th.
The same night the car was parked near Mr.
Yeah,
Miller's
but when
home.
was she fired?
Are you accusing my aide of conspiring with D.A. Miller?
No, but Paige was seeing a gentleman friend who lives near Mr. Miller's building.
This is hearsay unless Miss Dotson testifies herself.
She's out of the country, but we have the gentleman, Joseph Lee, here to testify to the relationship, Your Honor. Permission to call him to the stand?
I mean, this could be possible because Miller didn't conspire with the governor.
I told you the governor would sell out all the people below her if I knew how to win.
Really?
How?
Stop going after the governor and take out the one person who you know ordered Senior's murder. Miller.
Gladden won't say that.
Didn't do it. I don't like it.
Witness right here. You figured out Miller was guilty before anyone else. Tell the jury why.
Okay, that's not a terrible idea.
Yeah.
Why?
His mom already made Bonnie a liability, that's why.
The jury didn't see that. And as his one-time girlfriend, the jury will believe Miller told her things he told no one else. Unless you disagree.
Don't do that to Bonnie.
I meant what I said about wanting to be single.
Yeah, I mean, you say a lot of things, though.
Excuse me?
I'm just saying, you claim to be this independent woman, but from what I hear, you've been with a guy almost your entire time here in law school.
Did Peyton tell you that?
So it's true. You are a hypocrite.
I don't need a man in my life to make me feel good.
You sure? Considering the whole dad stuff.
I don't have daddy issues.
You make one bad choice of a guy after the next, Michaela.
Hey, study buddy. Ready to grind?
Yeah, you bet.
Thank you.
Peyton's really smart. What'd he say to you?
I'm fine.
He's being a dick.
I'm fine.
Not saying he's wrong, just saying he's being a dick.
So how did...
I loved Ron, but now I am here telling all of you that I was fooled.
With anonymous hearsay.
I tried to give this person immunity when I worked at the DA.
Before you were fired by the FBI for fabricating a criminal record?
Objection.
Goes to credibility.
I was fired for going after the truth, which is what you should be after too.
All any of us here want is the truth.
No, you want to protect the governor.
Because I won't let you make up fake witnesses the way you made up a fake criminal record?
This person is real. They know what happened. So if you actually want to hear it, all you have to do is give them immunity.
The state has to grant Gladden immunity, or the jury will think they're shady. Girl, yes.
If Gladden testifies, we don't know what she'll say.
Yeah, but she'll. Yeah, what will she say? She only said that because
we
Frank
lost our only
threatened her.
chance to take out the governor.
She's testifying tomorrow. Don't worry. She hasn't forgotten me.
Let's hope so. And you better not be in that courtroom when she does.
Do whatever you have to do.
I just wishes she would. They could have done this with her telling the truth about the governor, not about. I mean, it wasn't the governor that told her; it was Xavier that told her.
Days, isn't it, Miss Pratt?
Too complicated.
I claim to be this badass feminist, but maybe I'm really just afraid of being alone.
That just makes you a person.
A normal person. I want to be better.
I gotta be honest, all this makes it really hard not to want to punch his face in again.
It's not about him.
He said mean things to you, and now you feel bad.
And we did things to him, Asher. He came here to find out things about his father who I
I mean, it's our fault. What the hell?
I'm sorry. I should have asked.
Go home.
I'm okay.
I'm scared. Oh, God.
Honestly.
Oh, God.
Just ignore whatever Frank told you.
I'm not calling about Frank. He did tell me what's going on, though.
Something's gonna happen. She's gonna get hit, shot, something.
He told me he wants to be with you. And you?
Are you asking so that you can get
Oh,
involved
sad lady.
again?
You know that wasn't me.
I don't, actually.
See, the fact that you say that tells me that you're upset with me.
I'm upset with Frank. But maybe that was your whole point of bringing any of this up.
Listen, I want whatever you want, Bonnie.
I don't know what I want yet.
Okay, sorry. Forget I even brought it up.
Oh, shit. Her brakes aren't working.
Bonnie.
You can't stop. Oh my God. Help.
Bonnie.
Help.
How did that happen?